Hi guys, thank you for coming with me to the Dollar Tree. And I thought we'd scroll through their dishes and their plasticware. Let's see what they have, guys. So aren't these cups cute? Look at this. So you have Minnie Mouse, and look at this. Look at this. That is so adorable, guys. And they have Mickey Mouse back here. That is so adorable. So here he is over here. Then you have the Mutant Ninja Turtles, and you have the Legos. Then you have the unicorn. Here's Minnie. And you have emojis back there. These are so cute, guys. Then you have the Ninja Turtles there and Paw Patrol. That is so cute. Here's the Legos. Here's Batman, and here's Star Wars. So then we have the little sippy cups. So we have those in colors. These are a little bit bigger. Guys, you see the size difference? So we have those. Then we have the cereal bowls. Who remembers this? I used to give these to my kids when they were little. Then on the top you have some containers, storage containers. Anyway, you have these kind of sippy cups right here. Okay, and then over here you have like the little snack container. So you have that one, Paw Patrol. Then you have Frozen. Then you have LOL. And then you have Marvel. And these are the matching little cups. So that's Paw Patrol. I guess that's Marvel. Is that Marvel? I'm not sure. LOL, and here's Paw Patrol. So you have some more of those characters right here, and then along the bottom here you have your drink. Look how huge these are, guys. Your drinking bottles. And then here are some more. They're BPA free too. So then you have the little, this is a double pack. This is like a little snack container. I like those. And they do come in colors. This store right now, I think they only have them in this gray, but they do come in blue, these double packs. Then you have these little sandwich containers. And then you have the tumbler cups right here, and they're pretty big, and you get 3 for $1. So now if you come over here, you have their little lunch tray, utility lunch tray. Well, the lunch tray, and then those come in colors too. I think they're so cute, guys, to portion out food. And then these bowls are a decent size. These are the bigger bowls, guys, and then these are the smaller bowls. So the smaller bowls are 3 for $1, and look at the size difference. And then these are 2 for $1, and they come in navy blue and red. So then these are your plastic cups, and then these, I call them little soup mugs with the covers. These are really cute, and they have the little steam top right here. These are double bowls for $1. And then this one says enjoy the ride, and this one says love with a paw. And these are new, guys. Dream big. Those are new. I like those. This one says a house is not a home without paw prints. Check me out. And this one says my favorite person is my dog. Check me out. And then it says here, be the person your dog thinks you are. That's cute. Okay, have faith, treasure family, and enjoy friends. I like that. Bloom where you are planted. I've always loved that one with the bicycle. Enjoy the ride. Together is my favorite place to be. And here's the faith one again. Then we come into the drinking cups. This is a 2-pack for $1. This says drink up. That one says rise and grind. Let me see if I can move these around without knocking them down, see if there's anything else. So it looks like those are the only 2 messages I see. Then you come over here, guys, this is new, caffeinated. And be the person your dog thinks that you are, love, and life is better with a furry companion. I think that's new here to this Dollar Tree. And then these are bowls. These are for your cups, or your hot drinks, or your cold drinks. Then you have the sippy cups here for the little ones, and then some more of these coffee mugs, guys. I think these might have more messages. Make today amazing. I like that. Let me see. That red one over there says adventure fuel. Okay. Then you have these anti-grips on the bottom, and these are shelf liners, guys. So if we come over here, you see some more shelf liners. And you have them in this print, and you have them in that print, and that print, and then this print. So then we have the clear dishes, the white dishes, and they're the turquoise. Here's the black. the white and the turquoise, and then this is the white with the gold trim, and then this is like a square type of a shape, and here are the round ones, guys, and they're pretty stocked. I just want to show you. I'm gonna step back and let you see they're pretty stocked. This hardly ever happens. So the white bowls are along the top. You know, I don't see the white bowls very often. Then you have the coffee cups in white. Then you have these turquoise ones and the black. The black ones. So here, and then you have the gray. Okay, I knew there was something missing because we normally have gray plates, but they don't have them at this location. And then here are the clear ones. I like the clear ones too. And then here are the clear bowls, and then here's the salad plates right here. Down here they have the chargers, guys. So I seen somebody else hauling a different shape charger, but we haven't gotten it in yet, guys. So here's the gray, here's the gold. Okay, and then along the side over here, guys, you have the toothbrush dispenser. Then you have these mason jars. Then I'm absolutely loving these bowls. I think they're so pretty, guys. I do a lot of DIYs with them. Those are gorgeous. So here are the mason jars, and then here's the salad oil and vinegar jars. Then they have these kind of jars right here. They have a whole slew of them, guys. Look. Then they have the mason jars, and then they have these. Like, I think these are really nice too. I think I grabbed one. I did. Then here's some more of the clear bowls because I guess they didn't have room over there. So you have this kind here. I don't know why that has like a yellowy tint. Then you have these, and they come with the rubber cover. They do have a yellowy tint, guys. I thought it was me on my camera, but it's not. They have a yellowy tint. Then you have some clear bowls up there. And here's the sugar shaker, and here's the mason jar. Isn't that adorable? I have these. Then they have the double pack. So here you get the salt and pepper shaker for $1. And then here, guys, are the bowls that I use to do DIY. You get 4 of them for $1. Sorry about that, guys. Then you have these. You have these. Okay, let me move up so I can show you the rest. So guys, they have these type of glasses. I use these for DIYs too. And here are the mason jar. They're kind of on the small side though, but the mason jar cups. Then you have your margarita glasses all the way down. Then you have your drinking glasses here. And and here the beer. These are on the smaller side. The other ones are usually huge. Then here's some more water glasses, guys. This is new. Like, I'm not really liking this pattern, but that's new. Then we have those green. Isn't that green absolutely gorgeous, guys? And you have some of the water glasses, the wine glasses, and here are the fancy kind. They have all that all the way down. Then they have this color. See this green, guys? Isn't that beautiful? Those with the covers. And then you have here, I think these are the Betty Crocker, yeah, the Betty Crocker ones. Then you have right here, this is the Sure Fresh. And that's in the blue and the green. And I use a lot of these, guys. These containers, I like these. Okay. And here's Rubbermaid. Like, they didn't used to have Rubbermaid a while back. And now we have a lot of Rubbermaid. And then they have these containers. And I'm absolutely loving these. These are so cute. I like those. Then you have these purple, like I'm trying to get the whole set of this purple, guys. Aren't they beautiful? Like, I like those for $1. I just wish the bowls were bigger. So then you have the colanders along the top over here, guys. And then you have these, like this measuring. So most of this stuff usually is with the kitchenware, but it depends on the Dollar Tree you're in. Then you have these and the Sure Fresh here. And then these storage bags, guys, are great quality. I use them all the time. So if you ever need to use them, I'm gonna do a review on the stuff that I use, guys. So look for that video. So here you have a suit storage bag, a jumbo blanket storage bag. Here's some of that mesh laundry bags. And then you have the vacuum seal bags. These are really nice. These cost a lot of money outside of here, guys. Then you have the little mini. These are good to carry when you're traveling, to keep the lint off you. And then guys, I think I showed you like in the craft section, they have the little mini clothespins and the medium ones, but these are the regular size ones in case you need that. And here's the anti-slip rug, and here's your regular lint brush. Then you have these lint brushes, guys. These are new to this Dollar Tree. We never had these lint brushes before. And look at the clothespins, guys. They're like stocked up with that. So then they have these clips here. These have always been here. I don't think any of these are new. Some more anti-grip stuff, some hangers, and then some collapsible bins. So guys, thank you for coming with me to the Dollar Tree to check out this aisle here, just to see what's new in the mugs and in the dishes and plasticware. And I'll see you guys in another video.